back. Today we are going to discuss on the commands called as a rollback and commit operation. So let us see how to do that. So first let us understand what is a rollback and commit. So when you want to undo the transaction which is not committed, suppose I don't want the transaction to be done, so then in such cases we will use the rollback. And if I want to store any queries or the transactions or the changes that has happened with this database, then I can use the commit. So now how we have to do is, here we have to first go for SQL command line. So click on this. Then after this we have to connect to our the account. So this account is when we have installed our software. During that time we had given the username and the password. So that username and password you have to use. So first, so I'll just say connect. It will ask you to enter the username. So I will type my username. So you type your username and enter the password. Password will not be shown. Just you type it. It will take automatically. So now it is connected. Now here in this command line, SQL command line, we are going to execute the SQLs. Okay. So now what I'll do is, I want to create some table. I am to check this. Just I'll say describe. So I have a table already. So that I am giving here. Okay. See, I have a table with two fields, that is, one is register number and the marks. Just I have created a table. For creation of table you can check our other queries. Okay, command here. So select, just I'll check student. Okay, then click on enter. So only I have this. So what I'll do is, I have one record like 2 and 44. So now I will insert values. So insert into students. Okay, values. So I'll just insert the register number, so 10, and then I'll insert one more, that marks, so 50 I have entered. Okay, so that done. So now I'll just give the same command. So select star from stu. Okay, enter. Okay, you can see here. I'll just move this up. Okay, but so now you can see there are two fields. Okay, 10 and 50. So now what I'll do is, I'll use the command rollback. What rollback will do is, whatever the recently that we have entered, like 10 and 50 I have entered, 2 and 44 was previously, data was already there. Now I will use rollback. Okay, just give rollback. This is the syntax for rollback. Enter. So rollback completed. Now I will give, so select star from, okay, then enter. So what it is showing, 2 and 44, which was stored permanently. 10 and 50 was not stored permanently. So when I give rollback, it will not be saved there. Okay. So now what I'll do is, I'll try to insert one more, insert into values. So now I'll enter 3 and marks is 99. Okay. So this, okay, inserted. Now see, this is stored, whereas this 10 and 50 is not stored because I have given rollback there. Rollback means temporarily it will be stored. After rollback, this value will not be there. So now if I want to store this 3 also permanently, like 2, then I have to give commit command. So commit will allow this transaction, whatever I have entered, to store permanently. So now I'll enter. So commit completed. What rollback will do? Temporarily it will store and it will be deleted. So now you see star from Now see, 2 and 3, it has been stored permanently, 3 and 99. So previously I have inserted 10 and 50, but I have given rollback. Rollback means if I don't want the transaction to be saved, or I don't want the data there, suppose I have entered wrongly and I don't want the data to be stored there permanently. During that phase, instead of deleting and wasting time, we can use a rollback. Suppose if I want to store the data permanently, then I can go for commit. So this is the use of rollback and the commit. So that's also we saw what is about the rollback and the commit, syntax, everything. So if you have understood, hope the video finds you good. If you have understood, please do like, subscribe and comment. Thank you so much for watching.